Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see our third problem in exercise 2.3, that is division of decimals. So here total 10 problems are given. We will see our first one. So here 78.24 divided by 0.2. So in our previous problems I told you take this 78.24 and convert into fraction. Here 2 digits are there after the decimal point. So multiply with 100 by 100. So whenever you multiply with 100, here 2 zeros are there after 1. So the decimal point moves 2 places right side. So it will become 7824 by 100. And similarly next take the denominator 0.2. So here how many digits are there after the decimal point? 1 digit. So we have to multiply with 1 0 after the 1. So that is 10. So when we multiply, this decimal point moves right side. So simply it will becomes 2 by 10. So now our problem 78.24 divided by 0.2 will becomes, instead of this we can write this by 100 divided by, instead of 0.2 or in the place of 0.2 we can write 2 by 10. Now write the first one same, 7824 by 100, and now this division will becomes into and this fraction will get reversed, that is 10 by 2. Okay. Now here 1 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So we can cancel with 2 because 4 is there in units place, right? So 2 3s are 6, 1 will be there, 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s 2 2s. So finally it is 3912 by 10. Whenever you multiply with 10, so basing on number of zeros in the denominator, the decimal point comes from right side. So this is left and from right, and this is from left side first. So 3912 from right side we have to put the decimal point because 1 0 is there. So here the answer is 391.2. So this is the process we have seen in our second problem and when I am explaining the division of decimals. Now we will see within short period of time how to solve. Okay. So this process also you can use in your exams directly. So now this 7.24 divided by 0.2. So here how many digits are there in the denominator after decimal point 1, and here how many digits are there in the numerator after decimal point 2. So now here 2 is more than 1, right? So just multiply numerator and denominator with 100 by 100. Then it will become 7824 by, decimal point moves 2 place values right side. So that is 20. Okay. So now 7824 by, I am writing 20 as 2 tens. Okay. Just for simple calculation. So 2 3s and 2 9s, 2 1s, 2 2s. So similarly 3912 by 10, so that is 3009.2. So whatever it is, you can do like this or like this. Next, our second one. So 4.845 divided by 1.5. So now here I am writing directly. Here 3 digits are there after the decimal point, right? So I am writing 4845 by 1000. That is equals to this 4.845, right? So divided by 1.5 is here, so I'm writing 15 by 10. Here one digit is there after decimal point, so we have to write 10 and remove the decimal point. And here 3 digits are there, so put 3 zeros after 1 and remove the decimal point. Okay, and here 4844 by 1000. This division now will becomes into, and fraction will get reverse. 10 by 15. So 0 0 get cancelled. So with 15 only we can cancel this. 15 3s are 45. 3 will be there. So it is 34. 15 2s are 30. Again 4 will be there. 45. 15 3s are 45. So it is 323 by 100. So 2 zeros are there after decimal point. So from right side, after 2 digits we have to put the decimal point. So it is 3.23. So 4.845 divided by 1.5 will be 3.23. Okay. So in our previous problems I explained the process and now I wrote somewhat direct steps. Okay. So our next one here 0.246. Our third one 0.246 divided by 0.6. Okay, and so in the numerator 3 digits are there after the decimal point, so remove the decimal point and write 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So this 0 do not have any value, right? So divided by, and here 1 digit is there after the decimal point, so write 1 0 after 1 and remove the decimal point. It will be 6 by 10. So now it is 246 by 1000. This division will become into and the fraction will get reversed, that is reciprocal. So with 0 0 get cancelled. And here 6 4s are 24, 6 1s. So it is 41 by 100. So here you see how many zeros are there after the 2 zeros, right? So when we have 2 zeros, we have to put the decimal point from right side after 2 digits. So here only 2 digits we have, right? So after 2 digits and put the 0. So here the final answer will be 0.41. 0.41 will be the answer. Okay. So our fourth one 563.2 divided by 2.2. So here after the decimal point 1 digit is there, so remove the decimal point and write 10 after 1. So that is 10 divided by, so remove the decimal point and 1 digit is there after the decimal point, so put 10 and write 1. Okay. Now so instead of division we write multiplication. Whenever division becomes multiplication, then here we have to write the reciprocal. That means this fraction must get reverse. 10 by 22. So this 10 and 10 will get cancelled. Okay. So here if you don't know the cancellations, no worries. Just do the division which already you have learned from your childhood, right? So read the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, right? So 22 2s are 44, and so after subtracting we will get 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 4 1 and 3 comes down, right? So 2 6s are 12, right? So 22 5s, if you check, it will be 110. So after subtracting we get, and this 2 comes down, it is 232. So we check 22 6s, 6 2s are 12 and 6 2s are 12 plus 3. So here 2 minus 1 1 only. So it will be 22 6s are 132. So what is this value? 5632 by 22 will be 256. So final answer 563.2 divided by 2.2 is equal to 256. Just highlight your answer. It leaves the good impression to the teachers. So our fifth one, 0.026 divided by 0.13. So here 3 digits are there after the decimal point, right? Remove the decimal point and you have to keep in your brain there is no value to the 0 which lies left side of a number. Okay? ఒక నంబర్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న జీరోస్కి ఎలాంటి వాల్యూ కూడా ఉండదు. దెర్ ఈస్ నో వాల్యూ. The zeros lying on the left side of a number. So it will be here 3 digits are there after the decimal point. So I can write 3 zeros in the denominator after 1, that is 1000. So there is no value, right? So 26 by 1000 divided by, and here 2 zeros are there, or 2 digits are there after the decimal point. So write 2 digits and put 1 in the denominator and write the number without decimal point. So now 26 by 1000 into the fraction will get reverse. 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled, 13 ones and 13 twos. So finally it is 2 by 10. So here 1 0 is there after 1, right? So one digit must be there after the decimal point. So it is 0.2. Okay? So for the fifth one, the answer will be 0.2. So just write the answer, 0.026 by 0.13 is equal to 0.2. Okay? I think you are understanding without any confusion. Our next problem. So our sixth one, 4.347 divided by 0.09. Here how many digits are there after the decimal point? 3 digits, right? So remove the decimal point and write 3 zeros in the denominator and write 1 divided by, now remove the decimal point and write here how many digits after decimal point? 2. So write 2 zeros and put 1. So now it will be same, and in the place of division into, and now this fraction will get reverse. Actually these zeros have no value because it lies left side of the number. So it will be 9. So cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros. Okay? So now just cancel with 9. It is normal division only, students. You have to practice this cancellation. 9 5s are 45. So 9 4s are 36. So here 7 will be there and 4 comes down. So similarly 9 4s are 36 and now it is 74. 9 8s are 72 and 2 will be there. It is 27. So 9 3s are 27. So it will be 483 by 10. So 1 0 is there after the decimal point. Our seventh one, 3.9 divided by 0.13. So here 1 digit is there after the decimal point, right? So remove the decimal point and write 1 0 and put 1. Okay? Divided by, here 2 digits are there. So remove the decimal point and write 2 zeros and put 1. That is 100. So now 39 by 10 in the place of divided by 2. And just simply reverse the fraction. So now cancel 0 0. 13 3s are 39. So 3 into 10, that will be 30. So 3.9 divided by 0.13 will be 30. Okay? And our eighth one, 20.32 divided by 0.8. So here 2 zeros two digits are there after the decimal point. That means two numbers are there after the decimal point. So write two zeros in the denominator and write the number as it is. Write divided by, and here one digit is there after the decimal point. So write 10 and put 1. Okay. So remove the decimal point 8. So now 2032 by 100 into the fraction will get reverse. So cancel this 0. So actually, what is the divisibility rule of 8? If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole digits will be divisible by whole number will be divisible by 8. So here 8 4s are 32, so it will divides. 8 2s are 16. 4 will be there, so it will be 43. 8 2s are 16. 4 will be there, it will be 43. Next 8 5s are 40, right? So 8 5s are 40, 3 will be there and it will be 32. 8 4s are 32. So the remaining 254 by 10, that will be 10 is there after the decimal point. So from right side we have to put after one digit. So it is 25.4. Okay. So 2032 20.32 divided by 0.8 will be 25.4. This is the answer. Okay. And next, our ninth problem. 24.4 divided by 6.1. So here one digit is there after the decimal point. Just remove the decimal point and put 10 after 1. Divided by, here also one digit is there after decimal point. So remove the decimal point and put 10 and it will be 10. So 244 by 10, in the place of division write into and just reverse the fraction. Okay, and 0 will get cancelled, or 10 and 10 will get cancelled. Okay, so it is 244 and with 61 we have to multiply. See, 6 4s are 24 and 1 4 is 4. So it is directly we can cancel. So 24.4 divided by 6.1 will be 4. Okay, and our last one in this third problem. Here 2.164 divided by 0.008. So 3 digits are there after the decimal point. Remove the decimal point and put 3 zeros and write 1 divided by, and here also remove the decimal point and write 3 zeros and put 1 after that, before that. So these zeros do not have any value, so no need of writing this. Just for your understanding I wrote. Okay, no need of writing. So now same, first fraction write same as it is, and in the place of division put into, and the fraction will get reverse. So 1000 and 1000 will get cancelled. So here 2164 by 8. So if we cancel this, actually the number here not completely divides. If you check last 3 digits, 8 2s are 16 and 4 will be there. So do the division. 8 2s are 16, 5 will be there, it is 56. So 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. So see, don't get confused here. 8 2s are 16. Here 5 will be there and it is 6. 8 7s are 56. Here nothing will be there. And next number 4. It is less than 8. Right? So just put the decimal point and put the 0. Okay, no, so first write the 0 and here also write 0. So then after decimal point 8 5s are 40. Okay, so it will be 270.5. so because there is no another number, we add zeros. So otherwise I will explain like this. See here, 4 is there, no? 4 is there, so it is less than 8. 8 zeros 0, and again 4 will be there. And now I am putting point and I can add 0, so 8 5s are 40. Okay, so like that. So if you multiply 270.5 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 0 will be there, 4 will comes, 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16 plus 5, 21. See, and if do not without writing this 0, it will be 27.5. now just multiply 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22. So 220 will be the answer. Okay, so definitely you have to write the 0 and after that only you have to give decimal point. Okay, so here the answer will be 2.164 divided by 0.008 is equal to 270.5. This is the answer. Okay, so in this way we can solve the division of decimals. I think you're understanding, students. Please follow my channel regularly for more videos related to our next chapters. Please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thank you for watching, students.